Okay, here we go. The big reveal. By the thumbnail, you guys probably already know what this is. Hopefully. But I'm going to open it up. And, excuse me here. They got it packaged pretty darn good. I'm bumping my camera here. Got it double packaged. This I bought off of Amazon. Wow. More than one package. There's like 3 of them. Well. Let's see what we have here. This is a refurbished one. Well, not refurbished, but it's used. I don't think it was really used. I think it was just someone bought it, didn't want it, and returned it. Oh, wow. Here we go. That's it. They really packed that in. Okay, that's a USB-C cable. The new type charger. So I'm going to open this up and show you what we got. Okay. Sorry, my hands are wet. Should have dried my hands before I open that. Okay. So they got a little case for it. Here's the charger that was on the outside. Oh, the holder's already on there. I'm not sure where you're supposed to put that. Anyway, that's it. It's got a little weight to it. I didn't expect it to have that much weight, but it's not too bad. The bottom here, you can screw that on a tripod or any other device you want to hold it with. SD card goes in here, which I already bought separately. The 128 Evo should work with it. Menu button. Let's see. Why isn't it focusing? Anyway, let's see if we can get that to focus. No, there we go. Menu button. Back button. I'm thinking that's an on-off button, maybe. On-off switch. Or maybe that is. Oh, that's the record button there. Digital readout down here. Anyway, let me get it charged and show you how it works. Oh, and it also came with a health and safety and warranty guide. Huh. Health and safety? Okay. Probably won't read that. This is all the packaging that came in, whoever bought it before me. Oh, adapters. Yeah, I need those. Yes, I was gonna buy one of these adapters. I'm glad I can't believe it came with an adapter. The old USB plugs into here, and this is the new kind of USB. USB-C, I think is what they call it. So yeah, that's good. I can use those. And yeah. Cool. Okay, let's get this going. Okay, so I got an SD card put in it, and it's already a little bit charged. So, and this is the on-off button. You just hold it in for a second, and it comes on. It's got the time there, which is wrong. And yeah, I'm just going to hit the record button here and see what it does. It's counting down. So, of course I haven't read the directions, but I figured out that, well, this goes around your wrist, and this makes a good base so it doesn't tip over if you want to put it somewhere. Instead of just having it like that and worrying about it maybe tipping over, you just put it in there, and voila! It's counting down, and we'll see what it does. Maybe I'll put this footage up.